The CXO Analytics Solution is meticulously designed to provide executives across various sectors with a comprehensive view of key business metrics and insights. By concentrating on critical areas such as financial performance, market positioning, operational efficiency, and customer metrics, this solution enables organizations to maintain a competitive edge and swiftly adapt to evolving market demands. It is particularly beneficial for product-centric industries and serves a wide range of sectors, including banking, financial services, insurance, manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, retail, telecommunications, healthcare, among others. The overarching goal of the CXO Analytics Solution is to deliver a high-level, comprehensive overview of business performance, tailored for industries concentrated on production, distribution, and customer engagement. It provides actionable insights that allow businesses to spot emerging trends, refine operational workflows, and enhance marketing strategies. For CEOs, the dashboard is designed with a focus on long-term financial sustainability and customer satisfaction. Key KPIs include market share, operating margin, customer satisfaction rates, and brand awareness. These metrics provide a holistic view of how product quality, brand loyalty, and consumer trust directly influence overall business growth. This is particularly valuable in industries where brand recognition is essential to maintaining a competitive advantage. This dashboard emphasizes financial health and risk management. Key KPIs include return on equity, operating margin, debt-to-equity ratio, and cash flow trends. This financial view enables CFOs to optimize cost structures by identifying inefficiencies, mitigate financial risks, especially in industries with high inventory turnover and supply chain complexity, improve pricing strategies by analyzing costs and margins in real time. The ability to forecast financial scenarios and optimize resource allocation becomes crucial in navigating market uncertainties and maintaining fiscal resilience. The COO dashboard focuses on operational efficiency and inventory control, two vital components in industries with complex production and distribution networks. Key KPIs include on-time delivery, ensuring products reach customers as promised, inventory turnover, monitoring the rate at which inventory is sold and replaced, defect rates by product category, tracking product quality issues to drive improvement. These metrics provide a clear roadmap for optimizing manufacturing operations and logistics, helping organizations meet seasonal demand, reduce downtime, and ensure product availability in a timely manner. The CMO dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of customer engagement and brand performance, focusing on key metrics such as customer acquisition cost, brand awareness, and customer lifetime value, critical indicators for companies that thrive on strong consumer loyalty and repeat business. It offers insights into marketing campaign effectiveness, social media engagement, and customer retention, ensuring that brand visibility and customer connection are sustained across diverse markets and channels. By leveraging the CXO Analytics Solution, leaders are empowered to make data-driven decisions that drive better market positioning, optimize cost management, and enhance operational efficiency across the entire organization. This holistic approach helps businesses stay agile and competitive in an ever-evolving marketplace. Thank you for exploring the CXO Analytics Solution. By providing a 360-degree view of key metrics across financial performance, operational efficiency, and customer engagement, our solution empowers leaders to make data-driven decisions. We look forward to supporting your organization's success and growth.